A butterfly valve is a valve that isolates or regulates the flow of a fluid. This valve is a type of quarter-turn valve. A quarter-turn valve can open or close whenever the handle is turned 90 degrees. The main function of these valves is to control the flow of liquids through a section of pipe. The butterfly is a metal disc mounted on a rod. When the valve is closed, the disc is turned so that it completely blocks off the passageway. When the valve is fully open, the disc is rotated a quarter turn so that it allows an almost unrestricted passage of the fluid. Butterfly valves are mainly used in waste treatment systems.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.